videos of me without my permission.
Why am I smelling
in trouble?
Sorry?
I didn't call anything. Get the dog out first.
Hey, buddy. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hi. Do you guys have your driver's license, insurances?
Yes, I have my...
Are you guys looking to file a report?
I am, yes.
Okay. Get your driver's license, insurance.
Yes.
If you just want to wait in your car, stay cool. I'll be right with you, alright?
I just said I'm going to grab my insurance.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. Ma'am, this is your car?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your insurance? Okay. Where are you coming from?
Just down the street.
Down the street?
I work with disability check at
Sorry?
Laurel Creek.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license or insurance? Are those your plates for this vehicle?
Yes.
Okay. Can I see them? Give me 1 second, alright? What's your driver's license? Do you have your driver's license? Ma'am? Wallet? Your wallet? Okay, thank you. Look for your driver's license. What's your phone number real quick? You don't have, huh?
I've had 4 different phones.
Okay. And your phone number, you don't know it?
I've had multiple phone numbers.
Could you give me the last one you had? No. Okay. Do you have a phone on you? And do you have insurance for the vehicle?
Yes.
Could I see it?
My daddy has insurance.
Okay.
My dad does everything.
Okay, call them.
Can you call me?
Do you have his phone number?
I have my mom's phone number. Not take videos of me without my permission.
I'm not. It's my coworker. I'm calling for
I could
someone
get
to
you
come.
in trouble. You don't understand that?
What?
Can I see if you took a video of me?
Sure. This is my coworker.
I have.
How much have you been drinking?
I didn't drink at all, actually.
I smell it. I see your eyes are glossy.
My eyes are glossy because I'm tired. I haven't slept in 4 days.
Why are you slurring your words? Do you normally speak like that?
I do. Yes.
Okay. Why am I smelling?
Can I see?
Why am I smelling
in
an
trouble.
odor? For what? I'm asking for a back.
Give me a phone. Call my mother.
I'm with. You want to call your mother?
Yes.
What's her phone number? And I can call her.
I'm not giving it.
Well, then how am I going to call her? You got to work with... See, you do have a phone.
So I'm not stupid.
Yes, I know. You're not stupid. I was asking you for your phone number for the report.
Can you back up, please?
Sure. I'll give you some space. Hold on, though. Keep the door open.
No.
Yes.
I don't have to.
You're going to keep the door open because I don't want you driving away.
You have.
You seem impaired. You seem impaired. I don't want you driving away.
Okay, sir.
Can you shut the car off and then maybe I can...
You're retarded.
Sorry?
Excuse me?
What did you call me?
I didn't call anything.
Just hang tight for a bit. Just, she might be 55.
I'm never doing it.
See, that's my coworker. The one that...
Oh, cool. That's cool.
Yep.
I had my packing.
So, where were you coming from?
Liver right here.
Sorry?
Right here.
You're gonna do your hair?
Right here.
No, you are right here. Where were you coming? Where were you driving?
Right.
You crashed. Do you remember where you crashed?
Crashing is like...
You did crash. You rear-ended someone. The white Cadillac?
The guy
He was stopped at a stoplight and you crashed into him.
I know what happened.
I know, but do you remember where it happened?
Yeah, it's just getting weird.
It happened over there, actually. That's why I'm asking you. Where were you coming from? Where were you trying to go? Like, what was your objective? Where are you trying to go right now?
My objective was to pick up somebody that was homeless.
Like a friend?
Yes.
Where?
I was homeless.
Okay. And before that, where did you get in your vehicle?
I'm not talking about this. I don't care about paying.
Paying?
How much I have to pay. I was trying to pick up somebody that was homeless.
Okay.
So I go home.
Were you coming from home, or where do you live?
I'm not telling you where.
Okay. Well, I'm just concerned about you.
Why are you concerned about it?
Because you're showing signs of impairment, right?
Definitely not impaired.
I'm getting clear no record. Let me
Okay,
try
well,
something.
we're gonna make sure of that. Okay? I understand. Okay, just hang tight. Okay, is that your dog?
I have 15 dogs.
What's the name of the dog?
Versace.
Versace? That's a cool name. Guy or girl?
Guy.
Guy.
I have 15.
Okay.
I don't show signs of impairment. You could call my mom.
You write this number down? We're just gonna make sure you're okay to drive. That's it.
He's new. I know he is. Like, I understand. Like, I understand because I had a husband that worked in law enforcement.
Really?
I did.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Like, he doesn't know what's going on.
Okay. Well,
I do.
Right.
I went to volunteer at 10 a.m. from 12 a.m. at Willow Creek Church.
Sure.
As I do every Tuesday and Thursday.
Okay. And then what happened after Willow Creek volunteering?
Nothing happened.
Well,
I had anxiety.
well, I understand that. I'm
But
saying
you
like.
don't understand. Because if you don't have it, you don't understand.
Okay. Maybe you want to speak to my coworker. Yeah. Since.
I don't know your name, so I just want to refer to you by
Jessica.
Okay, Jessica. Okay, so
So you do know me.
Jessica.
because he just told me. Okay, so if the accident happened here, what happened though? Did you hit the car? Did they hit you? What happened?
I have to take
Where are you coming from?
Unfortunately, body cam footage from backup units was never released by the department. Over the next 10 minutes, police attempt to question the suspect, but she remains uncooperative and evasive. When they ask her to step out for a sobriety test, she ignores their commands, escalating the tension even further.
I'm asking you, are you gonna get out for me, yes or no, or do I have to pull you out myself? Because it's gonna go that way. I'm telling you the options. Either you step out or we take you out of the club because you do legally. Yes, I am. So are you going to do it, yes or no? Soy una oficial de Schaumburg y su hija está ignorando mis órdenes legales. ¿Le puede decir a su hija que se salga del carro y coopere, si no la vamos a tener que sacar a fuerza? Ahorita no le puedo explicar. Dígale a su hija que le estoy pidiendo que se salga del carro y lo tiene que hacer.
Yes, you are. Pennsylvania Mims.
Look it up. Google Pennsylvania versus Mims and tell me what it says.
In Pennsylvania versus Mims, the Supreme Court ruled that officers have the legal right to order a driver out of their car without violating the Fourth Amendment.
Do you remember that from law school? Did you go over Pennsylvania versus Mims? Did you? What? Did you didn't graduate, right? So what? Did you graduate?
I did.
Almost. Almost. Well, you're not in a police academy. You have not done my training. So you don't know. No, you're not. No, sorry. Okay, can you move your dog out of the way? Because I'm about to pull you out. Yeah. Head up. Mom. Get the dog out first. Mom.
Hey, buddy. Come on.
¿Vas a hacer los exámenes, yes or no? Are you going to do the test? Yes or no? No? Okay, you're still under arrest. All right, go through to the car also.
You got double
Okay,
page?
so we don't have for an alarm on. Thanks.
Got it. What are you trying to do? Huh? I can't hear you. Sad? Why? Well, she asked you many times to exit the view.
Doesn't matter. No.
It does.
No, it does not matter. She's mad. She's mad. That girl's mad. It doesn't matter. She can do whatever she wants. But my parents have dominion over me.
Okay.
My parents, she's like, what? And then you took my dog away. Like,
Yeah, ready? Come on out. Just watch your step for me, okay? Okay.
Grab that. Yeah. Yeah. Come on in. I don't know where she is at, so I don't want you to have to wait to get back from wherever you was at.
Yeah.
I'm good. What'd you say? Come on.
29-year-old Jessica Medina was charged with DUI, resisting arrest, open liquor inside a vehicle, and operating an uninsured vehicle. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and be sure to subscribe for more body cam footage daily.